Hello everyone, welcome to M365 Professional. Today we discussed about creating and formatting lists in Word. Microsoft Word provides powerful tools for creating and formatting lists, making it easier to organize information clearly and professionally. Lists help improve readability, structure content, and enhance the overall presentation of a document. 1. Types of lists. Word primarily supports 3 types of lists. Bullet lists. Bullet lists are useful when the order of items does not matter. Common use cases include listing product features, highlighting key points, creating checklists. How to create a bullet list. Open Microsoft Word and place the cursor where you want the list. Go to the Home tab. Click on the bullets icon in the paragraph section. Type each item and press Enter to create a new bullet point. Changing bullet styles. Click the drop-down arrow next to the bullet icon. Select Define New Bullet to choose symbols, images, or custom fonts. Use GIFs or for different visual effects. B. Numbered lists. Numbered lists are useful when items need to be in a specific order, such as step-by-step instructions, processes, or workflows. Priority-based tasks. How to create a numbered list. Go to the Home tab. Click the numbering 123 icon in the paragraph section. Type each item and press Enter to create a new number. Customizing number formats. 123 gives standard numbers. B. C gives alphabetized list size. 2. 3 gives Roman numerals. Multi-level numbering gives hierarchical lists. C. Multi-level lists. Multi-level lists allow you to create subcategories within a list, which is useful for Microsoft Office Suite, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Adobe Creative Cloud, Photoshop, Premiere Pro. How to create a multi-level list. Go to the Home tab. Click the multi-level list icon. Type the first item and press Enter for a new level. Press Tab to indent a sublist item. Press Shift+Tab to move back to the previous level. 2. Formatting lists. A. Changing font and color. Select the list. Go to Home > Font Color to change the text color. Use bold, italic, or underline to highlight important items. B. Adjusting spacing and indentation. Line spacing. Modify list spacing via paragraph settings. Line spacing options. Indentation. Move lists left or right using the increase, decrease indent buttons. C. Converting lists to tables. To convert a list into a table, select the list. Go to Insert Table Convert text to table. Adjust settings and click OK. 3. Tips for effective lists. Keep lists clear and concise. Avoid mixing bullets and numbering in one list. Use symbols. For visual impact, maintain proper alignment for readability. Copy-paste lists carefully to maintain formatting across Outlook, PowerPoint, and other Microsoft apps. Conclusion. Creating and formatting lists in Microsoft Word enhances document clarity, organization, and presentation. Whether using bullet points, numbered lists, or multi-level structures, proper formatting makes content more engaging and professional. By applying customization options and formatting techniques, you can make your lists more visually appealing and effective. Thanks for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe us for more informative videos. Thank you.